Hello financial fans, this is Wednesday the 28th of September of 2022 and the market has closed and some stocks are still finding their positions, but I'll tell you that for me personally today my portfolio is up 2.21% and the S&P 500 was up 1.96%, so I beat the S&P 500 today. The Dow Jones Industrials up 1.88%, so I beat the Dow Jones Industrials today, and NASDAQ is up 2.05, and as of right now I'm up 2.21%, but let me refresh this page here because my number will change. Oh, I'm 2.22% up for the day. And what I will look at right now is this is the top 8 holdings, my top 8 holdings and what they did today, and this of course was a big up day for the Wall Street. Let me mention real fast here, year to date as of today, my portfolio is down 19.14% year to date. The diamonds beat me. They're down only 18.65%. NASDAQ is down 21.21%, and SPY is down 22.58%. So I'm doing as well as most indexes. DIA is beating me so far for the year. But right now we'll get to my top 8 holdings in my portfolio of about 70 stocks. BTI today was up 1.66%. NIO was up 0.63%. XOM was up 3.67% today for me in my portfolio. Citigroup was up 2.01% for my portfolio today. These are the top 8 holdings. RTX Raytheon was up 2.88% for Raytheon. That means the drums of war are beating somewhere. Verizon was up for me today 1.33%, and NVS was up 2.23%, and last of the 8, 1.68% rise for ZIM. Now those are the top 8 holdings. The stocks, for example, BTI is 6% of my portfolio, NIO is 5% of my portfolio, XOM is 5% of my portfolio, and Citigroup is 5%. But these next stocks we'll look at, these are the biggest movers of the 70 stocks that I hold. These stocks move the most. Some went up, some went down. ENLC was up 7.52% today. BNGO was up 7.73%. Wonder why they got them in that order. And TTOO was up 6.91%. SBSW up 6.96%, but all 4 of those that I just mentioned are less than 1% of my portfolio. Workhorse, WKHS, was up 6.98%, one of my favorite stocks. Next we have ARKG up 6.17%, and BTG was up 5.55%, and ET was up 5.81%, and they're all 1% or less of my portfolio, except for BTG is 2% of my portfolio. And as I've said before, I intend to wait this mess out. The problem right now that's happening with the problem, we've got problems all over the place. By the way, for my friends in Florida, I hope all is working out well for you and that you're in a safe place, and a safe, dry place, and that the damage and injury is not as bad as what it looks like right now. I hope most people got out before the big storm came in. But in addition to the storm, of course, there's the threat of nuclear war. That doesn't help anybody, including those who threaten or who are threatened. That's not a good thing. And there are elections and politics going on as usual, and all that affects the market when there's uncertainty. If, like right now, nobody is absolutely certain. There's no trend that says this particular political party is going to be the winner of either the House or the Senate, or they're going to have great people lined up to run for the presidency. There's no certainty. It's sort of a mixed bag at best, and as soon as there's more certainty, there'll be more green ink, because then people know how to react to whatever action the government takes. But until they take action, we can't react. So, and the reaction I'm talking about is the types of stocks you buy, the types of stocks you sell, the types of stocks you hold. And with that in mind, I will say thank you very much for watching.